Welcome to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant, the creator of this YouTube channel, and today we're going to be making a bacon broccoli slaw recipe that I found in my family recipe box. I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to like it, but we're going to try it. And just like a lot of my other videos, we're going to make a vegan version and then a healthier version with some substitutions. I also did some research to see if it's true, as I've heard so many people in my family say that I'll like coleslaw more when I get older. Now, in looking at various websites and medical journals, they did seem to say that your taste buds change as time goes on. Typically, you lose some of your ability to taste and smell. And one article I found did point out that your taste buds do prefer saltier flavors once you've aged. So we're going to see if my millennial taste buds have aged enough to like these recipes. But regardless, I hope you try them out, and I hope you enjoy them as well. Gather these ingredients for the base recipe, and then you can begin. In a large bowl, add your 16 ounces of broccoli, the half cup of raisins, the third cup of the TVP bacon bits, your half of the diced red onion, followed closely by the fourth cup of sunflower seeds and the half cup of shredded carrots. And finally, combine the 1 cup of vegan mayonnaise with the 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and the 2 tablespoons of raw sugar. After combining, you'll want to coat it and then refrigerate the slaw for 1 to 2 hours. Nutritionally, the vegan version leaves a lot to be desired. It's over 500 calories, tons of fat, sugars, and not a lot of protein. Luckily, making it healthy is quite simple. We're just going to swap out 2 things. We're going to swap the mayo for unsweetened yogurt and the sugar for stevia. You'll notice here that the slaw sauce is a little bit runnier, but it's actually okay because it coats everything a lot more easily. The healthier version cuts almost everything in half: the calories, the sodium, the sugars, the fat, and it increases the protein. It's been a few hours since our slaws have been in the refrigerator, so now we're going to dish them up and do a taste test on the vegan and the healthy versions. We'll see what the texture is like, if the flavor is good, and whether or not I actually like it now that I'm into my mid-30s. Let's dish them up and give it a go. We've got them dished up. This is the vegan version, and it has the vegan mayonnaise in it, as well as the raw sugar. So we're gonna try and get a little bit of everything on our fork here, and here we go. All right, so it's very crunchy. The bacon bits held their crispness. It's very much a coleslaw. And I'm really ashamed to admit this, but I think I've aged enough that I actually like coleslaw. Now, unfortunately, this one does have that 500 calories, not a lot of protein, quite a high amount of fat content, so hopefully the healthy version tastes just as good, and, well, hopefully I'll enjoy it, so that way we will have something healthier to eat. We're going to move on into the healthy vegan version. This is the one that used the Greek unsweetened almond yogurt and the stevia to lessen the amount of fat content. I assume the texture is going to be the same. The real question is going to be the taste. All right, there we are. Got a good one. All right, the crunch is about the same. However, the taste profile is a little bit less mayonnaise-y. The kite-style Greek yogurt definitely is more subtle. However, I'd say if I'm going to eat a slaw, I'd probably pick this one just because it still is creamy, has the crunch from the bacon bits and the broccoli and all the other goodness in here. But for my own health reasons, yeah, I'm not going to eat the one that has so much fat in it. So if you're looking for a really healthier slaw version, outside of just the hint of the mayonnaise being slightly gone, this one's really, really good. So you should definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed my taste testing of these vegan coleslaw dishes, please be sure to give it a like, perhaps subscribe if you haven't already, share it with friends and family who may be interested in this type of recipe, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video.